Hello dear friends! In this video, I will show how to quickly and easily reset your wallet on the OKX exchange. Entering the OKX exchange. First, you need to navigate to the wallet feature in your application. We go to the wallet and our wallet opens. In the top left, you see a square with many dots. Press it, then the menu opens, revealing the password displayed prominently in the center of the screen. Click on the password. Here we can securely drop our wallet for safekeeping. Let's reset our wallet. This is a warning risk. Press Reset Wallet. To initiate the process, please type in uppercase letters the word reset and then proceed to confirm your action. Waiting for loading, that's it. Our wallet has been accidentally dropped on the ground. To create a new wallet, you need to click Create a Wallet. Biometrics are a method we choose to bypass. Our wallet has reappeared. Thank you dear friends for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like it. And also don't forget to write in the comments if this video was helpful to you.